So what is Sabbiera.ai? Sabbiera.ai is a trading platform for retail traders to build, test, and launch automated trading strategies using no code and AI. What I want to show you guys today is a little bit in terms of how it looks like, what some of the features are going to be, and some updates in terms of when we're planning on launching. So Sabbiera is going to be only for Forex and crypto to start, eventually with plans down the road to implement stocks, futures, and options. So this is the area where you can build your bots and backtest your strategies. Now, if we wanted to create with AI, we have the option to either build a complete custom strategy using AI, which would include order management like stop loss, take profit, and position sizing, or you can build a custom trading element or an indicator using AI. Or you can add any of the 50 or 50 plus custom built indicators that you can combine all together and backtest to come up with a profitable strategy. Once you've selected which technical indicators or trading elements that you wanted to use for your strategy, you would then go ahead and determine the stop loss settings as well as take profit settings, which has the option to also include trailing stops and break-even points. For take profit settings, you also now have the option to include multiple take profit levels, as well as some advanced features that you can include in your backtest. In the backtest configuration, you choose exactly which trading pair, time frame, and date, as well as the initial capital, the account currency, and leverage, as well as the risk per trade that you'll be running on the backtest. Then, once you've selected everything and you're ready, you would just click on Start Backtest. Here you're able to see the actual backtest results for the backtest that you just did. You have metrics in terms of your take profit, stop loss, net profit, and total trades. The actual chart that you're able to see in terms of exits and entries. You have trade data that shows, the type of trades, entries, stop loss, take profit one, take profit, exits, so on and so forth. You have signal types performance. So for this particular backtest, we only have one signal type combination, which was the simple moving average price crossover and the Bollinger Bands band bounce. If you had multiple triggers and confluences selected, then here you would have multiple signal type performances. And then you also have session performance results as well that shows you the results for session performance. Now, once you have a profitable strategy, you're able to save your bot, as a trading bot, and actually run it for signals and for live trading. So Sabbiera.ai is going to be launching soon. There's just some minor tweaks that we're fixing on the back end in order to be able to get it ready for launch. In the meantime, go to Sabbiera.ai, join the waitlist, and we'll let you know once it's ready.